In this experiment, we will verify the inverse square relation between the illuminance at a point, due to a point source of light, and the distance from the source. Place a 100-watt lamp about 1 meter in front of the light meter. The receptor of the light meter should face the lamp normally and at the same height as the lamp. Switch on the lamp and the light meter. Black out the laboratory to ensure that the light meter receives only the light from the lamp. Record the light meter reading E and the distance R between the light meter and the lamp. Repeat the above steps with R gradually increasing. Find the values of 1 over r squared. Plot a graph of E against 1 over r squared. What conclusion can you draw from the graph?